Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are gonna recite 99 names of Allah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said the one who memorizes the 99 names of Allah will enter Jannah. Let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahman, the most or entirely merciful. Ar-Rahim, the bestower of mercy. And Al-Malik, the king and owner of dominion. Al-Quddus, the absolutely pure. As-Salamu, the perfection and giver of peace. Al-Muminu, the one who gives iman and security. Al-Azizu, the almighty. Al-Jabbaru, the restorer. Al-Musawwiru, the fashioner. Al-Ghaffaru, the all and oft forgiving. Al-Qahharu, the subduer, the ever dominating. Al-Wahhab, the giver of gifts. Al-Razzaq, the provider. Al-Fattah, the opener.
Al-Alim, the all-knowing. Al-Abid, the holder. Al-Basit, the extender. Al-Khafidu, the reducer. Al-Rafi, the elevator. Al-Muiz, the honor, the best honor. Al-Muzzil, the dishonorer. Al-Sami, the all-hearing. Al-Basi, the all-seeing.
Al-Hakam, the judge. Al-Adal, the utterly just. Al-Latif, the most gentle.
Al-Ghafoor, the one who forgives. Al-Shakur, the most appreciative. Al-Ali, the most high.
Al-Kabir, the greatest. Al-Hafiz, the preserver. Al-Muqit, the sustainer.
Al-Hasib, the reckoner. Al-Jalil, the majestic. Al-Kareem, the most generous and the most esteemed.
Al-Raqib, the watchful. Al-Mutib, the answer. Al-Wasi, the boundless.
Al-Hakim, the all-wise. Al-Wadud, the most loving. Al-Majid, the most honorable.
Al-Bait, the influencer of new life. Al-Shaheed, the all-observer of witnesses. Al-Haq, the absolute truth.
Al-Wakilu, the trustee. Al-Matinu, the firm. Al-Sabiru, the all-strong.
Al-Majidu, the perceiver. Al-Wahidu, the illustrious. Al-Wajidu, the one. Al-Ahadu, the only one. Al-Qadiru, the omnipotent. As-Samaddu, the eternal. Al-Muqtadir, the powerful. Al-Muqaddim, the expeditor. Al-Muakhir, the delayer.
Al-Awwalu, the first. Al-Akhiru, the last. Al-Zahiru, the all-surpassing. Al-Bar, the source of goodness. Al-Tawwab, the ever-producing. Al-Muttaqim, the avenger.
Al-Afu, the paradoner. Ar-Rauf, the most kind. Malik al-Mulk, master of the dominant, owner of the kingdom. Zul Jalali wal Ikram, possessor of glory and honor. Al-Muqsitu, the just one. Al-Jamiu, the uniter, the gatherer. Al-Ghaniyu, the self-sufficient. Al-Mughniyu, the withholder. Al-Maniyu, the enricher. Dar, the distresser. Al-Nafiu, the propitious, the benefactor. An-Nur, the light. Al-Hadi, the guide. Al-Badi, the incomparable originator. Al-Badi, the everlasting. Al-Warith, the inheritor. Al-Rashid, the guide to the right path. Al-Sabur, the patient. These are the 99 names of Allah. May Allah help us understand them and live by them. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.